In this video, we'll look at question 22 from the 2016 exam. In this question, we know that an object moves according to the following graph of velocity against time. We're supposed to find the total distance travelled during these 30 seconds, then the distance from the starting point at time equals 30 seconds, and the average speed over this period of time. Well, for a VT graph, the total distance travelled will be just the area under this graph, and that is always taken as positive. So this object goes to one direction and then back, but we calculate, both of them are taken as positive for the total distance travelled. The distance the car will show, or the passengers in the car would measure. And that area is 1/2 for a triangle, 8 times 20, the two sides of the first triangle here, the bigger triangle. And then for the smaller triangle, 1/2 times 10 times 2, which equals 80 plus 10 is 90 meters. And as we have already said, during this time, the object travels forwards, and then in the green region, backwards. So to get the distance from the starting point, we'll have to take this area 80 meters from the first term, and subtract the green area 10 meters of the small triangle here, because it goes forwards and then backwards, and that is 70 meters. Great, so we have the two distances, and now for the speed. The average speed is defined as the total distance travelled divided by time it took, this whole motion. And in our case, the total distance, as we know, is 90 meters, and the time is 30 seconds, the total time, and that gives us 3 meters per second. And that's the average speed over this interval. And the combination of these three results in the exam was option A.